many children grow up disconnected from their identity? Not because parents do not care, but because somewhere between busy schedules, school, work, and life in their abroad, language slowly becomes an option. And before you know it, a child may know they are Igbo, but cannot confidently express themselves or fully connect with the richness of it. Tell me about it. As a mother of 4 raising children abroad, this deeply became personal for me. I remember this particular day when I was eating and I casually invited my child to the table. And the reply, innocently, "No, what did he say?" That stopped me in my tracks because I realized something very important. If we do not intentionally preserve our language, and of course the richness and the values of our culture, the world will slowly replace it for that far.
036 super open.
For a community, materials, resources, and a structured curriculum that could help. I do not want my children growing up disconnected from who they are. Asking myself, how do we preserve identity in a generation growing up far from home where we are used to? How do we make language feel natural again, not forced, not as a bond? That desire, that vision became the beginning of Umuoma. At Umuoma, we believe children learn best when language becomes part of everyday life. Not under pressure, not out of fear, not because they want to memorize something, but through conversations, through storytelling, folk tales, our cultural practicals, learning and fun, and of course through community. Now today we help families across the world raise children who can confidently speak Igbo, connect deeply with their roots, and carry their identity proudly everywhere. Because for us, this is more than a language. It is identity. It is confidence, belonging, and of course, a legacy we want to pass on. And as parents, we don't have to do it alone anymore.
Mgbe m rejistara ya, ọ mụtago ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche and ọ ghọtago iwe bụ identity, ebe onye ọbụ and ebe o si. Before I had joined ya Umuoma Igbo Academy, ana m try ikuzi asụsụ Igbo, mana anyị na struggle, ọ dị hard. O shi ike, mana ka anyị join Umuoma Igbo Academy, ọ dịgo easy, ọ dịgo very fun, and all like it.
To Umuoma Igbo Academy, where we raise culturally intelligent and culturally valued children. Ka mmụta Igbo gazie mba niile. Ndewo.